In this tutorial video, we will cover how to calculate the porosity and specific surface area of both a microtomography sample and an artificially generated material. So for an artificially generated material, once the input parameters are selected and the material is generated, the porosity and surface area will automatically be exported. So for the case of a carbon fiber preform, we'll create an example material 200 by 200 by 400 with a radius of 6, variation of 1, average length of 200, length variation of 50, angle variation of 20, voxel length of 1, and a porosity of 0.8. Now, since it has to generate all of these fibers individually, it will take a minute or two for this to complete. So once the material has been generated, the porosity is automatically output, the number of triangles used in the visualization is automatically output, as well as the raw surface area in meters squared and the specific surface area. Now the surface area is calculated by summing up the areas of each of the individual triangles of the margin cube's output. The raw surface area is just the area itself. The specific surface area is the raw surface area divided by the enclosed volume. For microtomography import, the process is pretty similar. We select a sample. In this case, we'll do 255 or 256 cubed with a voxel length of 0.65. Select the threshold. Once the threshold is selected, the porosity is automatically displayed. In this case, it is 0.79. Then we have to click the surface area button, which will run the marching cubes. On a large sample of fiber form, if it's imported, it can take a minute or two to run the marching cubes. At this point, the specific surface area, the raw surface area, and the number of triangles are displayed.